For the low, low price of $49.99, you get a tiny bottle of anointing oil labeled with a gold foil sticker that reads, "Spirit be gone," because as we all know, nothing scares a demon like bedazzled labels. The kit also includes a prayer manual with steps to spiritually bind the hiccup imp and rebuke the demonic belch that might come in its place. It even comes with a hotline number, just in case your hiccups persist for more than 3 hours, and you need a personalized prayer from one of Cindy's trained hiccup intercessors. After all, if the power of prayer can move mountains, surely it can quiet your overactive diaphragm.